What's up, YouTube? In today's video, we're going to be checking out this premium bat house by Kibaga. So it comes in a dark brown color, it's 12 millimeters thick, and it has 2 chambers. So that means it can hold up to, well, depending on the bat species it moves in, it can hold up to 200. Some people say 300. In most cases, it's probably around 20 to 50, but it can definitely hold quite a few bats. So, if you want more, you just buy more than one bat house and just place them around your property. I actually got 2, but in today's video, we're just going to be unboxing this one, just seeing everything that comes right from the box from Amazon. So let's go ahead and get right to it. So we'll check out the box first. So this is the front. It's got a pretty cool logo. I do like the logo. This is what comes directly from Amazon. So down here you've got basically the materials, the product size, color is dark brown, and then the mounting. It comes with a back hook and then a couple screws. The mounting is really easy. Premium quality, Kibaga. So yeah, just a standard little barcode grid there. So right here we've got basically some information about the box, so you can read here how to attract bats. Please know that bats will discover new roosts entirely on their own. Be patient while you wait for them to find yours. You can help them find your bat house by installing it on a pole or on the side of your house. These two places have a much higher occupancy rate than trees, because trees can actually be kind of dangerous for your bats, because snakes can easily access the box and other predators, so it's recommended not to install these on trees. So it also lists the temperature requirements, the bat house placement, and then taking care of your bat house. You can pause the screen here if you'd like to read this in detail. So here's some additional bat information as well. So one brown bat can eat up to 600 mosquitoes in a single hour, and I've actually read this number to be up to 1,200 mosquitoes in a single hour, depending on the species. Bats also consume many other night-moving insects like cutworm moths and corn borers. Rest assured, though, bats will not detract or interfere with other wild birds you've welcomed into your yard. The benefits of bats: they're also pollination and seed deliverers. There are more than 1,300 species of bats that consume enormous amounts of insects naturally and safely. Bats can consume the insects that cause agricultural damage, while also participating in the pollination needed by many plants, fruits, and vegetables. The reason I actually got mine is because the mosquitoes are pretty bad here in our area, and these bat houses really help to cut down on mosquitoes, which cause pretty deadly diseases like malaria, West Nile, and things like that. So, and then this is the other side and the back. So that's the pretty much a standard box. We'll go ahead and let's cut this tape and see what comes inside here. All right. So let's see what we've got in here. So, okay, seems packaged really well. So it comes with a thank you card. Looks like it's taped. Oh, it's folded over. So really nice thank you card. Let's see. Need help with your product? Please go to Amazon.com and click your orders. Find your order in the list. Get help. So yeah, basically, if you need some help, and it looks like the owners' names are Petra and Chris, owners of Kibaga. So that's pretty cool. All right, let's see what else we've got in here. Oh, look, you can see the roof already. So the styrofoam is cut out to fit just exactly. Oh, that's really nice. Okay, wow. So it comes packaged really well, and like you can see, it's completely ready to go right out of the box. So we've got a little silica pack here. I'll keep all this out of the way. The installation screws. It comes with the 3 that you'll need. So I'll show you how to go over that here in just a second. And then the bat box itself. Let's take it out of here. Get all the styrofoam off. Alright, and that's it for the box. We'll get this out of the way. And then this is the actual, oh, and there's another silica packet inside. So this is the actual bat box here. I kind of want to get it all in this shot. So yeah, you can see it's got their little Kibaga Bat House logo here. I really like it. I definitely like the color of the wood. As you can see inside, it is double chambered. And the chambers do have these grooves that make it easy for the bats to fly up and grab onto. And a whole bunch of bats can actually squeeze in there. So these are perfect. The color is perfect for bats. And let's just flip it around. And here on the back, you can actually see the first mounting screw. So whenever you're installing this, you'll put one screw in the post right where you want it to hang from. You'll attach it right here, and then once that's hanging, you'll flip it over, and then you'll see these 2 screw holes here in the bottom for the additional 2 screws, and you just put those into the post as well. So installation is literally just as easy as installing 3 screws. So it takes pretty much no time. And I did actually make another video that goes over my review of this product in detail. I'll put a link for that in the description, or you can click the card up here in the top right of your screen, and that'll bring you to the actual review video. And in that video review, we'll go over the installation a little bit more in detail. And then also the benefits of owning a bat house for yourself. So yeah, just first impressions, I really like this bat house. It comes completely prepared, pre-assembled, ready to go right out of the box, so you don't have to worry about buying lumber and, you know, cutting all these specific measurements and things like that. And also with the rising price of lumber, it may just be a lot easier to buy one, especially since when I got this one on Amazon, it was around 40 bucks. The prices can go up and down, but I mean, for under 40 bucks at the time of making this video, I think it's an incredible value. I mean, just especially considering how well done it is. Yeah, I mean, all of the measurements on this product are perfect. Everything's flush. Yeah, so I really do like this bat house. I'll go ahead, I'm gonna get these hung up. I'm gonna test everything and see how long it takes the bats to occupy it. I've already got a few bats hanging around the lights outside of my house, so I don't think it's gonna take them too long. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. This was just the unboxing. Like I said, if you'd like to learn more about this product in detail, go ahead and click that link in the description for my full review video. And if you like this video, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. We are trying really hard to get to our first 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year. We're a little bit over 3,000 right now, so hopefully we'll be able to get there. And with your help, we definitely will. But yeah, until next time, my friends, take it easy.